Welcome to Are You a Shell? My name is Ginge, or for now, Consultant Ginge. I've had so many people address me and privately message me, which I appreciate, about moving to Siem Reap, Cambodia. So what I've been doing now is looking at some different property options, from high value to cheaper things. These videos are not just to show you what's available here in beautiful Siem Reap, the kingdom, but also I want you to question what you do in your life, your environment, where your money goes, what sort of society you live in, everything. I've been here in Siem Reap, and normally this channel is about creating simplistic happiness or giving you my genuine opinion, thoughts, or to try and make some smiles dressed as an orangutan. But ever since talking to some of you online who are looking to move to Siem Reap or abroad, and a lot of you say the same question, so here's going to be a video series of properties here in Siem Reap for you to see how much you pay in your home country, what you can get here. Myself, moving from Oxfordshire, England, one of the most expensive parts to live in the UK, and after being here, I live on, rent-wise, $200 a month. Utilities, $60 to $80. So I have a higher, better quality of life here than I do in the UK. So enjoy the video. Hopefully you like the property. If you would like the exact property, or for me to sort out whether it's visas, accommodation, go to Facebook or Instagram, or email me at outyourshell@gmail.com. We'll sort out. I want you to come out of your shell, try something new, come here, find that simplistic happiness. I'm going to enjoy finishing my walk. So enjoy. So, welcome to Are You a Shell? I'm here with Jing. And what's the real estate agency?
Dakakon.
Dakakon?
Yeah.
Dakakon. Okay. So, welcome to Are You a Shell? Ginge and Jing. Almost same. We've got a beautiful property here. 600?
Yeah, 600.
600 a month, and you get all this land. Butterflies are out. You get this lovely unit. Beautiful trees, palm trees are everywhere, and a back unit. So very good deal. So let's have a look inside, see if it's worth our time and the money. I like it though. The area is actually near Lovely Hearts Arts Academy, the school that I'm a part of. Oh wow, look at that, beautiful. Already, nice pond. Okay, wait a minute. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So, as you enter, you have this open space, massive windows, beautiful lighting. I really like that. You have a downstairs toilet, kitchen, big table, big counter space. Again, lovely windows, got all that natural lighting. Now, compared to the other places we were looking at that were $450, $550, this is $600. I personally would put that extra bit of money in to take this. Again, beautiful, beautiful big windows. You got the nature of Cambodia around you. Big sofas, gorgeous, gorgeous. Comparing it to what I pay, $200 a month for, again, lovely place. But this is like your own piece of private heaven. Get yourself a couple of big fish. I know a couple of my friends who have moved here have fish. We've got some guppies in here, some goldfish. Very well designed. It's very nice, Jane.
Yeah.
Very nice. What's the electric and water cost?
The electric is directly from the electricity.
Yep, okay, lovely. Very cool.
Water is free.
Nice, nice. Water's free, there you go.
Water.
And then we're popping in here. Okay, another room, big windows, double doors, table, chair, and a jacuzzi, outdoor shower.
Yeah.
Wow, very cool. Lovely wardrobes, very big.
Yeah.
Very big, very nice. Cool, cool. Ah, beautiful style. Lovely bookcase. Again, another nice little sofa in your living areas. Big bed off the floor. So if you are retiring and you don't want to be low down, this bed, lovely height. Very good, very good. A TV, And again, another balcony to the other side. Yeah, it's very cool, Jane. Very good. Ah, there we go. Oh, and then a real nice bathroom. There you go. Sauce day, guys. Toilet, shower, very open. Look at that. Shower under the palm trees. Maybe get a coconut come in here if you're lucky. So $600 with free water. The electric's 25 cents.
Not 25 cents, around 800 little 20 cents.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, lovely. So yeah, very good place. AC, obviously everywhere is AC. The nicest thing about here right now for me is you're away from the roads. You cannot hear traffic. Right now, you're just hearing the birds, insects, the water trickling. There's Sai over there relaxing. We got some nice floating steps. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice. And then a rooftop. So, when you do move here and you take this place, you can invite Ching and I to a nice barbecue to celebrate. A beautiful rooftop balcony overlooking everything. Very nice. You got the lotus fields, stuff like that. It's a good place. $600 a month is a great deal for this. You compare, I've had friends rent places for $1,000, $1,500, and it has this great aesthetic, but this could be a home. This could be a long-term accommodation that you can truly enjoy. I would recommend that if you are gonna live here, you would need a motorbike, you would need your own transport. You can get a tuk-tuk, but you're looking at probably $5, $6 each way. Sai's getting in the jacuzzi, nice. So yeah, beautiful guys, beautiful. The fridge, because I know a lot of us Barangs like a lot of food, and because alcohol is so cheap, so for those of you that stock up on beer, massive fridge, great big freezer, cabinets, working oven, grill, fan, very nice. You can't beat it. As well as the main building, you have this side building. I see a little bedroom. You could probably turn this into an art studio, music studio. You have an outdoor seating area. This is nice, Jing. Very nice. Beautiful big mirror. Hello. Washing machine, sink, and I think you have more land, all of this?
Yeah.
Wow. So again, this is something of a, I would say, a project piece. You want to start a business or something, you can use this, develop, build whatever you want to build. You've got another gate to exit for your vehicle if you have a car. Side building for your projects or whatever you want to do. Enough space to have friends and family over, barbecues, have a Friday night drink, all that good stuff. And again, it's quiet, very peaceful, very nice, lovely. Let's quickly show you the side room and then it's good. Okay, good. So rooftop fan, AC, lighting into your other home, and then another bathroom. So more or less a guest house. You know, if you're living, you have people come over, a friend come, there's a place for them to stay, or turn it into something else. Hey, Si? Yeah, lovely. And I think you got a nice rooftop seating. Lovely. So, I want you to message down below. Jing's contact's going to be there, mine will be there. If you want to take this place, get a message, $600 a month. We've looked, when we moved here, we looked at many different places, and I wish we saw this, and I wish the budget was high enough to take this. Very very beautiful. The gardening, because it's a massive piece of land, they will be doing for $20 a time for a massive garden. So lovely. Make sure you come out of shell, enjoy, like, subscribe, bye.
Okay.